Okay, guys, so I'm like not even dressed, like I'm not even like ready for the day. I really just got up and I just had to make this video because I get so many comments on my video promoting the Neoprozone skincare and the top of clear and just showing you guys how to clear my skin. I get a lot of comments on that video every day on whether I'm still using the product or whatnot. Does it still work? And there was a lot of discussion and debate on whether this product is safe. So now, let me tell you guys something. I use a lot of products. Like, I'm gonna just show you guys, like, it's real. Okay? These are all the creams that I've tried. Like, literally, try them try them all. Like, I I experiment with my skin. Like, it's bad, but I experiment with my skin. But I do a lot of research before I experiment with my skin. And I just want to bring you guys the truth about the Neoprozone because there's still so many questions about the product and I did not fully get into it. So this is my bare face. Like, this is my skin without any product on it. I didn't even like wash my face yet. So this is how I look when I wake up. Okay? Like, natural sunlight, this is my skin. Okay, and you know, I'm a normal person. My skin is not perfect. I have problems with my skin constantly. You know, like, I have normal skin. And one thing that I will say is if you are looking for a miracle product that is gonna completely like make your skin perfect, then no product is gonna work for you because it just simply doesn't work like that. Yes, I still use Neoprozone. And if you want to see how I incorporate the Neoprozone into my new skincare routine for the winter, stay tuned for my next video coming out in a couple days. I still use Neoprozone on my skin and I use the Neoprozone brightening cream. So one main question is whether this product has steroids or not. So you guys can look at all the ingredients and there are no ingredients that say that it has a steroid. It said it has lactic acid, I know it has stearic acid, castor oil, arbutin. This Neoprozone product and a lot of Mitchell brand products like even this Lemnovate or even this Neoprozone Plus Cream Forte it contains arbutin, and arbutin is a chemical that helps lighten the skin and it's a form of hydroquinone, and if it is naturally sourced like from cranberries or any other natural product, then it is safe to use on the skin. Now if it is a hydroquinone that's made in a lab and then they extract the arbutin from that, then it can be unsafe to use on your skin. You could use hydroquinone on your skin as well, but you just have to use it within moderation. 2 months on, 2 months off. That's how you can use it. I have been using Neoprozone. I've been using this on my skin for months. I mix it with a bunch of other natural products and I have had no adverse reactions to the arbutin within this. I cannot say for sure whether this arbutin is naturally sourced or synthetically sourced. I tried reaching out to Mitchell Brands, but I haven't got a response back from them. You guys could try emailing them, or you guys could just, you know, do your own research. That's what I always say. I'm sorry my hair looks crazy, but like I told y'all, like I really just I just dropped everything that I was doing and I started doing this video. But yeah, I wanted to let you guys know. So this was made in India. And yeah, just do your own research. I've had no adverse reactions with this product. There's some people who use hydroquinone, the synthetic source hydroquinone, the synthetic source arbutin, and they have had adverse reactions because everybody's skin reacts differently. I know a lot of people have been going on skincare talk, and that's great because they have a lot of great research on there. I just want you guys to keep in mind that that is a forum. Like, it's not a fact. Those people are not scientists, they're not doctors, they're just people like me that just try product, that just experiment with their skin. That is not the gospel. So you have to be careful with what you read online. Like I literally have like books and books of like just research on products, like in my phone, just researching like what's in products, just so that I know what I'm doing. You know, I'll just like, you know, give you just so that I know. Like boom, like Carol White. I read about Carol White. I heard it was a good product, but then I've heard it had mercury in it. And you could look at some of the products in here and see that it has that it's just not good for your skin. The one thing that I'm saying is like just really read the ingredients. You should read the ingredients when you use any product. When you use a soap on your face, on your body, you should always read the ingredients on the product, you know, just so that you know that it's safe, that it's natural, etc. But as for Neoprozone, it does say it contains arbutin. There's no other fishy, you know, products on the ingredient list that make me think, okay, this has steroids in it. Hydroquinone is a steroid. Whether it's naturally occurring or synthetically occurring is what makes it a difference. There's no real way to know because it doesn't say on the list. You can obviously do some research on that to see if it if there's a difference between, you know, the name of the synthetic one and the name of the natural one. But arbutin is safe to use on the skin, and if you guys are worried about whether your skin will have an adverse reaction, just use it for a couple months on and use it for a couple months off. The only way to see the true benefits of a product is if you use it for 2 full months. That's the only way you're going to see whether it works on you or it doesn't. And of course, some products you get a negative reaction immediately as you start using it on your skin, and then I would suggest that you stop the use of that product if you have a negative reaction immediately when using it. But sometimes your skin will purge, but your skin is not supposed to burn. Your skin is not supposed to be itchy or red or inflamed. If you have this type of reaction, then that is not the product for you, and please stop using it. And always test patch it on your hand, on a place on your body before before you use it on your face, because you want to know like the reaction. But yeah, I still use Neoprozone. I still really like this product. I use a mixture of it because I don't have the same, you know, magical effects that I've had in the beginning, but my skin still remains clear. I get pimples all the time on my chin, and as you guys can see, like I don't have crazy dark marks. Like literally like every couple of weeks I get a pimple, and it's because of these damn masks that they're forcing us to wear. But yeah, as you can see, like my chin is still, I don't have crazy dark marks, you know. My skin is still a work in progress. I like the way it looks at this point, and I just learned to just accept my skin for it is. It's a living organ. It's constantly working and doing things, and so whatever I gotta do, you know, I let it do its thing, but I just give it a boost with the Neoprozone. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I incorporate this into my winter skincare routine to have dewy, glowy, moisturized skin, make sure you stay tuned for my upcoming video on my winter skincare routine. Make sure you like and subscribe on my channel because I'm always talking about skincare. I'm always giving you guys good, helpful tips. And also make sure that you guys like, subscribe, share this video with a friend. And if you guys want clear skin quick, make sure you buy my green peeling oil. I also have a video that will be somewhere over here where you guys watch how my green peeling oil just makes your skin look beautiful. So yeah, make sure you check out that video. Make sure you purchase the green peeling oil. I am wearing one of my wigs. So yeah, shop my store if you guys want to, you know, get good eyelashes, hair care products, skincare products. Check out my website. Everything will be linked down below, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.